Today we are going to talk about how to cook this kind of squash. And this one here, it's a regular tissue box, so you can have an idea of the size of this kind of squash. This is a half of a squash. First thing we need to do is remove the skin of the squash. We can use this tool. It's a quite easy process. You can see I remove the skin here. Just keep going to remove all the skin on this squash. Okay, skin was removed. Now we need to cut this into several pieces. Next, we need to remove the soft part and the seed from the squash. It's just like this. This kind of knife works really well. We remove the soft part and the seeds from all of this squash. Next, we will just cut them into small pieces. Now it's ready to cook. I also cut a little bit habanero because I like to eat spicy food. If you don't like to eat spicy food, you don't need to add this habanero. But be careful, if you do want to put a habanero in after you cut it, try not to touch your eye because you will feel terrible. This is really spicy stuff. Okay, now let's talk about how to cook it, the squash. I use a pretty simple, easy way. I put a habanero, a little bit salt, and some oil. Then just heat them up. I use oil to extract spicy stuff from the habanero. Then you put the squash in and stir it for probably 3-4 minutes. If you want to eat crispy squash, cook about 3 minutes. If you want to eat the soft squash, cook probably 4 minutes. Okay, the squash is ready to eat. Enjoy.